So what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the new product from Jonathan Montoya. So this is his YouTube channel. Check this out. He has 83.7k subscribers, and right now I'm going to access his new Freedom Traffic monthly program, where he turns newbies into leads experts. So let me show you, because traffic is one of the most important things when you are doing affiliate marketing. And here is going to teach a small group of people how to do traffic. So let me put here this video. So this is called the video sales letter, and I'm going to play this so you can learn and watch it.
Jonathan Montoya here, and how would you like to become an expert at becoming a rainmaker? Now, what is a rainmaker? A rainmaker is someone that can drive traffic, and I want to help you become a complete expert, because when I mastered traffic, it didn't matter what I was selling, whether it was an affiliate product or my own product or my coaching, or I used to have a meal prep business locally. It didn't matter what I was selling. This is the highest income skill that I have ever achieved, because I know how to bring traffic to a business. And I want to help you become an expert at becoming a rainmaker or driving traffic. And we call it the rainmaker because a rainmaker makes it rain. They bring the traffic, they bring the heat. You know, I have thousands of companies that reach out to me all the time because they know I can drive traffic. They know I can bring the customers. And I want to help you become an expert at doing this, okay? So we have an amazing program called Freedom Traffic Monthly, where we're going to actually hold you by the hand and show you how to get traffic. You're going to be able to get audits. You're going to be able to get on a call every single week, and we're going to show you all the cutting edge traffic secrets, okay? Super excited about this. And not only that, we're going to keep you accountable, okay? We're going to have a challenge every single month all about traffic. So if you want to become a rainmaker, if you want to build that skill, I promise you it'll change your entire life and your entire business. It doesn't matter what you're selling, okay? So super excited about this. I know so many people are going to get value from Freedom Traffic Monthly. So there'll be a link down below around this video to get access to this, and we'll see you inside.
Now, this is going to be a paid membership, because he's going to charge $99 per month. So here we have some testimonials from his students. Alwi made $7,109 cash in 14 days. And if I scroll down, you can see, if your dream is to wake up every day and not to go your 9 to 5 by building your own online business that creates your own version of freedom. So basically, Jonathan Montoya teaches people how to quit your 9 to 5 job and have an affiliate marketing business that is going to pay people instead of the job, right? Check this out. And if I scroll down here, so here it says get instant access for only $99 per month. And then we have here another testimonial from John Wilson. Made his first sale in just 5 days flat. So what is included in the FTM? A new challenge, workshop, or course each month to keep you on the cutting edge of the digital marketing world. Jonathan Montoya's entire business system that shows you how to make thousands of dollars every month on repeat. Get access to the traffic challenge, where 13 and 6 and 7 figure earners show you exactly how they do things to build their own business. The viral TikTok and Reel video library, the AC process on how to create the high value reels that attract attention, multiple trainings on the different content types to create that grow, nurture, and convert your audience into buyers, how to set up and optimize your social media platforms, expert guest interviews brought into do live workshops and faceless content creation training. So I think that one of the most important things here is this one, expert guest interviews, that he's going to bring for all the people who are going to buy this, and also all the people who are going to buy, they will get access to weekly coaching calls with Brian. So this is another important like factor of this program, because once you have like a coach that is telling you, hey, you are doing this wrong, you can accelerate that learning curve. So if I scroll down, join us for only $99 today, get instant access, 30-day profit pathway. So basically this is his new product, and I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to get access to this product, you can go to Jonathan Montoya's YouTube channel and go to this video where it says one personal help getting traffic, and click this link in his description. So because right now this is like a new product, so he doesn't have like an affiliate link for his affiliate to promote this program. So right now I'm just telling you the information. If you struggle with traffic, for example, that is one of my main struggles right now, because if I don't create content on my YouTube channel, I have seen that my sales like drop, right? So I want to be like super clear about this, because affiliate marketing is not easy. You need to put in the work. Now, this is not for people who are not going to put in the work. So let's say that someone buys this and expect results. It's going to be hard, because I'm doing this affiliate marketing thing since a lot of years right now, promoting products, and I have made commissions, good amounts of commissions. But traffic, guys, organic traffic, like creating content on YouTube, is something that you need to do every single day. So basically my YouTube channel is helping me to make commissions, but because right now I have a 9-to-5 job, so I'm not creating content as I used to create in the last years. But that is something that I need to work more, I know. So that's for sure. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to get access to my free affiliate marketing training, you can click the first link in the description of my YouTube video. So that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.